Good morning, children. Today we will learn about a project that is low cost teaching aids as well as a best material from waste materials. So, the project name is Agarbatti Stand. So, before starting our project, we will pray Lord Ganesh to bless us for our better health as well as for our better future and for this better project. So Ganeshaya Namaha. First of all, before starting the project, we will learn about the name of the project, that is Agarbatti Stand. And aim of the project is to acquire knowledge how to make Agarbatti stand from waste material and to know the correlations with other subjects and as well as prepare best material from waste. So before we starting the project, we should know about the tools required. One is cutting plier, next your insulated combination plier, scissor. These are the tools required. Again, next is material required. What are the material required? That is your motor winding wire and bangle, ribbon, beads, etc. Okay, so these are the tools required and these are the material required. And I am showing you the different tools. You know that this is the insulated combination plier. एक्चुअली बहुत बोलते हैं इसको प्लास, एक्चुअली प्लायर PLIER, इंसुलेटेड कॉम्बिनेशन प्लायर, लेकिन बोलते बोलते प्लास बोल देते हैं. एंड दिस इज यूज फॉर योर डूइंग प्रोजेक्ट. एंड दिस इज सीजर, ये सबको पता है, दिस इज सीजर. एंड नेक्स्ट इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड इज दिस इज मोटर वाइंडिंग वायर. जो मोटर वाइंडिंग वायर जो है बर्न कर जाता है कभी कभी, तो उसी की जो जलने वाला बर्न्ट मोटर वायर यू कैन टेक और यू कैन कलेक्ट फ्रॉम द इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉप दैट इज अवेलेबल एट लो कॉस्ट और नो कॉस्ट. कभी कभी कोई अच्छा इलेक्ट्रिशियन क्या करता है, बच्चे को दे देता है मुफ्त, और कोई भी 1-2 रुपया लेता है. सो यू कैन take the motor winding wire, and you know this is the used refill. ये refill हमारा यूज करने के बाद we throw this, and this is helpful to prepare our project. And you will take the bangles. These bangles our sister, mother use, and if one bangle is damaged, then automatically they throw that the other bangles and wear new bangle, and you will use that waste bangle for this best project. Okay, so we'll start now the project. So this is the motor winding wire, and you make it 5 pieces, 7 pieces or 9 pieces, any pieces you wish to make the project. Suppose I am taking this wire and this is the used refill. So make the wire and the used refill parallel to each other, so that you can make the spring. So like this way you rotate over the used refill, है ना. दिस इज यूज रिफिल. तो यूज रिफिल ऊपर यू मेक इट लाइक दिस मैनर, so that a spring will be prepared, you see. And after this you see this end also you may rotate, like this manner. इसे रोटेट किया. Okay, now you remove this. So you got a spring like this manner. So this is a spring, this is one leg for the project, for the agarbatti stand. So like this manner you can make this spring or leg, and you cut into pieces by your nose plier or by cutting plier or by this insulating combination plier. Okay, so in this way you get spring for the project, and you take 5 spring or 7 spring or 9 spring according your wish. Okay, so you make like this manner the spring together and make a knot. I have taken 2, but you see here in this I have already prepared for to make up the time. So you take all these springs together and tied again. Another point, you take another tie also here, and you spread the other legs over the bangles. You spread, and you rotate the wire so that it will be firm with the bangles. In this way, the both 5 points are tied together, and you make this design according your choice. You make this design and you get a prepared agarbatti. And you see here in this project, this is also 5 legs, and here I have given the beads. These are available in the market for decorating purpose. You take the beads and you may arrange like this manner. Or similarly, suppose if it is naked, so you can cover it with this black tape. Suppose you want to put this black tape over the project, and that cover the like this manner you take, and you can rotate this black tape over the project, so that like this manner you rotate this for decorating. You can take the yellow color black tape or red color black tape for decorating purpose, and you can cut. And now this is prepared your agarbatti stand, and here you can put your incense stick and keep it near the Ganesh or in your puja room where you pray to God for your betterment. So this is all about your agarbatti stand. But before ending this, what are the correlations with other subject? Suppose about your mathematics, I am telling about the correlations about mathematics. What is the correlation of doing this project in mathematics? How it is helpful to the students in mathematics? You can describe about this circle. So because the shape of the bangle is circular, so it is correlated with mathematics, that the students, when you see this, then automatically they will get a concept of circle. Similarly, this is the center of the circle, and these are radius of the circle, and when it passes through the center and it is connected with the center to the circumference, then automatically you will know that this is the diameter of the circle, and these are the radius of the circle, and these are the sector angle of the circle. So from this they will know about the circumference, the radius, and they will know about the sector angle and the area of the circle. So this is correlated with the mathematics. Similarly, what is the correlation with the science? You see, this is the motor winding wire, and the students will get that this is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So this is the correlations with the science, and they will know that yes, this is the motor winding wire and this is made up of copper, and this symbol of copper is Cu. So automatically the students will get a concept about your science, and they will not forget that copper wire or this good conductor of heat and electricity. Similarly, if you ask about what is this, what is the correlation with the social science, so you will know that about correlation with social science, what when they will give this to the society, and this society will learn something that yes, it is a prepared materials, it is a waste material, but now it is a best materials, and that is you can sell it and you can earn. So our motto is to know, to do, learn, do, learning, doing, and last earning. You can sell, and you can, if you prepare a best material from the waste, and you can earn money, and you can do this for your betterment of your life. Again, you will ask student, you will ask that, sir, what is the correlations with English? Yes, there is the correlation with English, because when you will know that Bengal, Bangle, Bengal. So what that is about the spelling, and similarly you know that when you are writing the procedure, automatically you will learn about the tense of the English language. So it is a best material as well as it is a low cost teaching aids. Okay, thank you.